Becoming a business analyst is one of the best decisions you can make. The average salary is around $84,000 per year, you can often work from home, and you don't need an expensive degree or lots of experience to get started. There are a ton of jobs out there, and the industry is rapidly growing because data and analytics is getting more and more important for companies. But the path to becoming a business analyst hasn't always been very clear. Should you learn about business and then transition into analytics, or what is the best way? In this video, I'm going to review the business analytics specialization on Coursera made by Wharton Online. I'm going to talk about the course itself, as well as business analytics and the job opportunities available for you. I'm then going to mention the pros and cons, as well as give you my final recommendation on how to become a business analyst. So let's just get started right away. First, Wharton is a business school and a part of the University of Pennsylvania. It is known as one of the best business schools in both the United States and the entire world, competing with Harvard and Stanford. Their tuition fees for master's students is around $87,000 per year, and that is not including the cost of living. But for you, the course is about $50 per month, depending on your location, but you can also try it out for free, and they also offer financial aid for those who cannot afford it. It is for complete beginners and only takes a month to complete at 10 hours per week, so in total about 40 hours expected. It's supposed to teach you to make data-driven business decisions, achieve fluency in business data strategies in 4 specific courses, which we'll talk about later more in detail. Now, there are nearly 200,000 people enrolled in this program, so it's been around a while, and the average rating from learners is 4.6 out of 5, which I think is really good. So what are you going to learn exactly? And how can this help you become a business analyst? Explain how data is used for recruiting and performance evaluation. Secondly, solve business problems with data-driven decision-making. Next, model supply and demand for various business scenarios, and also understand the different tools commonly used to predict customer behavior. The main skills you'll gain in this course are customer analytics, analytics in general, business analytics, and decision tree. And all of this goes under the business analytics umbrella. When you complete the course, you'll get a certificate from Coursera and Wharton, and this is how it looks like. You can put this directly on your wall or add it to your LinkedIn profile, and it's verifiable and shareable, and it will never expire. And it's not a course you have to retake or something. Let's take a look at the courses, and then we'll check out the potential jobs and what skills you actually need to get a job. And finally, we'll dig into the pros and cons. There are 5 separate courses in the specialization, although 4 courses are actual courses, and 1 is just a capstone project, which is like a final project that you do after completing the courses. The first course is called Customer Analytics, and it is roughly 11 hours, and it's about understanding and working with customer data, such as purchasing behavior for an online store. Next, we have Operations Analytics, and this course is around 10 hours. We also have People Analytics at 8 hours, Accounting Analytics taught by Wharton's accounting professor, and then the capstone project where you use all of it together. So as you can see, it's divided into customers, operations, people, and accounting. And these are the 4 parts of business analytics that you'll learn in this course. But then once you get a job, you may end up dealing with multiple of them, or just trying to give you a broad introduction to many different aspects of business analytics. Let's take a look at some real job listings. But first, what hard skills are the companies looking for? So this website has scraped millions of job listings from places like LinkedIn, top skills for different jobs. I'll select business analyst, and we can see that SQL is a top skill, as well as Excel, a little bit of Python, and also R and PowerPoint and all that kind of stuff. But you don't need to know all of these skills, and some replace each other as well. Heading over to LinkedIn, we'll find a lot of different jobs, and they're not exactly called business analysts in all cases. There are many different twists and different types of jobs with different titles that are very similar, and that's why it's also so important that you don't just search for business analyst, because you could be missing a lot of jobs. LinkedIn has a great recommendations feature, so if you start looking for business analyst jobs, you'll eventually get recommended all sorts of similar jobs, even if they have a different name. Let's keep this video short and efficient, so let's get into the pros and cons right away. I think it's a really good introduction course to business analytics for beginners. No experience or education is required, and the field is really popular right now, and the opportunities are endless. I also like that they introduce you to different aspects of business analytics, teaching you some technical stuff, but also just focusing on bringing you the right mindset to see success. Because that's the thing about this course. I don't believe that it's enough to help you get a job right away, especially if you don't have any experience, because you'll probably need to study a bit more. It's only 40 hours in just a few weeks. but it can definitely help you get on the right path to a career as a business analyst, and for that alone, I think it's definitely worth it. This course is only a part of a bigger puzzle, and that's why I created a business analyst roadmap, which I'll leave in the description, and it's completely free to use. And this course is included, as well as multiple other courses and steps to help you become a business analyst fast, regardless of your prior experience or education, and it's completely free to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.